It's Halloween time, so it's the time for some spooky and creative photographs. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Now it's time to put our creative hats on for the festival of Halloween and click some super creative and spooky photos. I want to show you how I visualize this scary and spooky festival in the supernatural world. I've clicked a few Halloween portraits before guys, and I hope I can do something very different and creative this year. So let's get started.
First, I have this cool Halloween pumpkin toy. I have placed it on a plain black cloth which I have taped to the wall. I will light it with the flash as my key light and a paper plate to fill the shadows. Next, I will have the toy wear a mask which I have taped with some sellotape. Now I will turn off the flash and have some fairy lights in the background. Same way, have some candles next to the pumpkin. I have my curtain, just placing my hand behind it to give a ghostly feel. Into my flash, I have placed a green color gel. Against a black background, I will make such an action to show a scary hand. Just some quick effects in Photoshop to make it look even more scary. Also, I have my hand outstretched like this. Again, some Photoshop effects. I will take a shot of this pumpkin. Then in Photoshop, I will stamp out my hand. I have clicked pictures of my hands which I will place here. Same way I can click my picture with a fearful expression and merge it with the pumpkin photo again in Photoshop. Now I will not use flash and use a slow shutter speed of 2 to 3 seconds against the same plain black background. After I press the shutter release button, I will move my face sideways. Because of the slow shutter, I get this spooky feel.
I made a video last year guys where I show you some spooky and creative portraits that I clicked for Halloween. You can check that video out right here, also the link down below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous Halloween video. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.